Hey friends, Catherine here. Today I want to rework this bracelet. It is very loose. The bead is almost coming off, and this twine part is very nearly broken all the way through. So I want to replace the leather and twine part with something a little bit more durable. So I've got some chain and a clasp and a ring, and we're just gonna work on making it a little bit better. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just clip the rest of this that has broken and slide this bead off of here. Okay, yeah, you can probably tell that was pretty broken up. So let's set that aside. I'm sure there's something else I can do with it at another time. We'll set it aside, hopefully for another project. And then what I'm left with is this bead, which is what I'm going to rework into the new bracelet. It's got holes at the end, so I'm going to just take and slip some rings on it, hopefully. There we go. Something like that. Just make sure it's good and tight and secure. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is from the other end, put the chain on. This is going to be a pretty simple and fast one today. I'm thinking another day we will make some beads out of Sculpey and include those on the chain as well to give it a bit more embellishment. We're just doing this for now. Okay, that one on, good, and just make sure everything's tight and secure. Okay, and then I just need the clasp connected onto the other end of the chain, which is going to be the difficult part because the links in this chain are tiny and small. But just open it up, stick the lobster clasp on, and close it back down again, and that should be it. Then I can, let's see, let's do it this direction. That way I can get a good hold of it and hope that the chain is the right length. Hopefully. And there we go. All right, and then that's not so long that it'll fall off, but not too tight. And I can go through and add different beads to it. We can make beads and add them to it to embellish the chain a little bit. But there we have it. Our bee pendant charm thing on a chain, which is not nearly so likely to fray and break apart as this twine and leather setup was. That's what I did today. I would love to hear what you guys are doing today. If you have any other ideas for things that you would like to see, definitely let me know. I am always open to new suggestions and ideas, and I love hearing from you. I do new videos every day, so I will see you another day, and remember to subscribe. Bye!